All right, some big news coming in connection to the Hyderabad varsity land row. A massive drama being witnessed in Hyderabad. BJP as well as BRS leaders are protesting opposition leaders detained by cops now. BRS is questioning Rahul Gandhi's hypocrisy. BRS says that while Rahul Gandhi protested for Vermula, he is not allowing people to protest for the students. Remember, this of course is in connection to the Hyderabad Central University, 400 acres, the plan to redevelop it. The students are protesting. BJP delegation earlier which wanted to visit the varsity was also stopped. Several leaders have also been detained. And amid all of that, the BJP and the BRS now launching a massive joint attack on the government. In fact, let's listen in to what they have to say.
గతంలో ఇదే రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు హైదరాబాద్ సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీకి ఆనాడు 2 సార్లు వచ్చినారు ఒకటే నెలలో. రోహిత్ వేములా గారు చనిపోయినప్పుడు 2 సార్లు వచ్చినారు ఒకటే నెలలో. కానీ ఇటువైపు ఇప్పుడు కనీసం తిరిగి కూడా చూడట్లేదు. కనీసం ఒక మాట కూడా ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారికి చెప్పాలన్న ఆలోచన కూడా రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారికి వస్తలేదు. ఇదే రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు బొంబాయి మహానగరంలో ఆర్ఏ ఫారెస్ట్లో 800 ఎకరాల్లో 2500 చెట్లు కొట్టేస్తారంట. అంటే అక్కడ మెట్రో నిర్మాణం కోసం అక్కడ ఒకటి షెడ్ కడతారంట. అంటే ఇదే రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు హడావుడి చేసినారు. అయ్యో ముంబైలో లంగ్ స్పేస్ లేకుండా పోతుంది, ముంబైలో పర్యావరణ సమతుల్యత దెబ్బతింటుంది, ఇన్ని 100 ఎకరాలు పోతే ఎట్లా కాంక్రీట్ జంగల్గా ముంబై మారిపోయింది అన్నారు. మరి ఇవాళ హైదరాబాద్, పశ్చిమ హైదరాబాద్ ఏమైపోయినా పర్వాలేదా? కేవలం మీ కాంగ్రెస్ ప్రభుత్వానికి డబ్బులు రావడానికి, వేల కోట్ల రూపాయలు సంపాదించుకోవడానికి, పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు, హైదరాబాద్ భవిష్యత్తు నాశనమైనా పర్వాలేదా?
कांग्रेस का सरकार तेलंगाना में जितना जमीन बच के है वो पूरा बेचना चाह रही है. यही काम टीआरएस पार्टी ने भी किया है. ये आज का सीएम रेवंत रेड्डी साहब जब कांग्रेस पार्टी का प्रेसिडेंट था, जब उन्होंने बताया था जमीन बेचने के लिए राजनीति का नेता नहीं चाहिए था, मगर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने क्या कर रहा है? अरे सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी का 400 एकड़ जमीन तुम्हारा बाप का है क्या? क्यों बेचना चाहते हैं? अरे सारा जनता आज खिलाफ कर रही है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी डिमांड कर रही है 400 एकड़ जो बेचने का इरादा है बिल्कुल वो वापस लेना चाहिए.
My colleague Sumit joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Sumit, this is an entire issue connecting to the 400 acres of land, the redevelopment plan. When it comes to the Hyderabad Central Universities, the students are protesting. A BJP delegation was stopped. And amid all of this, we are seeing now a joint attack on the government by the BJP as well as the BRS.
Well, that's true. We are right now reporting from the main entrance of the Hyderabad Central University, and this complete road has been barricaded, and even the students are not being allowed to come out of the university premises. And we are seeing right now the ABP student union staging protests here inside the gate premises. So basically, since last few days, we are seeing students, from the Hyderabad Central University staging protest, and they are demanding that the government should roll back on the decision taken by the state government. However, at the same time, the opposition BJP, the opposition BRS, they have extended support to the students, and they stated that we will also be coming to the Hyderabad Central University, and BJP has given a call that fact funding committee of the BJP will be coming to the university today morning. And today morning they have been detained by the police at Hyderabad MLA quarters, and also one of the MLA was house arrested at his residence in Banjara Hills, and huge police deployment was seen at the residence of KTR. So one side BJP is attacking the government, at the other side the students are also attacking the government, and they are demanding that the government should immediately roll back on the decision taken by them to auction 400 acres of land. So a few students are here. We'll try to speak to them. What are their demands? What are your demands?
Our demand is that 400 acres should be given to the university. As you can see, that the rich culture in the 400 acres, it should be given to the university. I think that 400 acres is the lungs of Hyderabad. So why we need to destroy this environment in the stake of private companies for some money, the capitalist money? Why we need to destroy that thing? That's it.
So government is saying that we will not roll back, and the land belongs to state government.
So it's not about whose, and it's not mine or yours, it's ours. Let us safeguard this environment. It's not for us. It's not mine. It's not from my mothers or fathers. It's for everyone living in Hyderabad. when you see this air index in the Hyderabad, HCU has the lowest air index, which is very good for us. When you destroy these things, it is a danger for every student in this campus.
Students here, they are demanding that the state government should immediately roll back on the decision. And when it comes to the air quality index, even it is the HCU has the lowest air quality index. That means, purest air, is being generated from the HCU. And because, HCU has, it's a big campus and lots of trees, thousands of trees are located inside. And at the same time, the state government is saying that, they'll not roll back and, the land belongs to the state government. And they do have the court's decision in favor of them is what they are claiming. So the protest is continuing here and, the students are saying that it should be immediately, the land should be given to the Hyderabad Central University. Actually, it is in the premises of the Hyderabad Central University, and it should not be destroyed, and it should not be auctioned, and it should not be given to the private players, is what they are saying. And there are thousands of animals residing there, and deers and several others. We can clearly see several species they are right now holding in their hands, trying to show, and they are raising their slogans against the state government and demanding that the state government should roll back. And at the same time, the BJP has said that this 400 acres of land belongs to the people and it is the government's land, yes, but yes, this shouldn't be auctioned because even the previous government did the same thing and this government is also doing the same thing, is what BJP is saying. And the BRS leaders are saying that this 400 acres of land is the lungs of the Hyderabad and lung space shouldn't be auctioned. And Rahul Gandhi has questioned the Maharashtra government when during the RF forest at that time RF forest issue, when they said that trees will be raised down there. At that time, Rahul Gandhi has raised his voice. But when it comes to the Hyderabad, Rahul Gandhi is silent, is what the BRS leaders, including KTR, seen questioning the Congress party. So as of now, the protest is on
Absolutely, Sumit. What started out as a student protest has now taken a political turn. We are looking at all the major opposition parties also protesting in Hyderabad. We'll of course see how this pans out if the government continues to stick to its demand, its decision of redeveloping this 400 acres, which the student says does not belong to the government. It belongs to the Aam Aadmi. In fact, we are shifting our focus now to